Time to feed the feathery friends. And time to refill the containers and a new bird feeder. All right, let's get started and feed these guys, gals. They're happy. I can hear quail. There are so many birds in this tree here. They don't know what to do. They have food. They're so happy. This is the, there is the new feeder, but I don't like the way it hangs. I think I need to get something, some kind of chain or something for it, but we'll see if they even go to it. There's birds up on the wall there. There's all our quail. Look. Look, they're all coming in because they know I fed them. Many of those are the babies that were just little fluff balls when, like, maybe 2 months ago. Oh, they're getting scared by the neighbor's dog. But look at all those quail. I don't want to move too fast because it'll scare them. Oh, and we got doves flying in. The doves like to try and be friends with the quail, but that doesn't always work. Look at how fast that feeder filled up. Oh, this just makes me so happy. Look at that back one there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying not to move too fast because it scares them, but look at the bright yellows on some of these. And there's the quail. They're going up into the brick wall. They like to live up in the bricks under all the overgrown brush. That's why I haven't called the gardeners in yet. I want to keep it as overgrown as I can until maybe September or October to make sure they're fully grown and ready to go off on their own. That one in the front there with the dark face is a male. That guy right there is the male. All right, I hope you enjoyed this this bird feeding adventure. I do this every other day. I usually do the suet packs once a week, depending, but my thrashers have been eating like crazy lately. And I noticed we have baby thrashers, so yeah. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this on this cloudy Thursday. Have a fantastic Friday, friends.